Python programming. General purpose libraries. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, requests. OS and SYS. Python has solidified its place as one of the most versatile and widely used programming languages in the world. From data science to web development, from automation to artificial intelligence, Python's rich ecosystem of libraries enables developers, researchers, and engineers to bring their ideas to life with efficiency and precision. This book explores the most commonly used Python libraries across various domains, offering insights into their functionality, applications, and best practices. Whether you are a beginner taking your first steps in Python or an experienced programmer looking to expand your toolkit, this book serves as a guide to understanding and utilizing the power of Python's libraries effectively. We begin with general-purpose libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, indispensable tools for data manipulation and visualization. As we progress, we delve into specialized libraries tailored for machine learning, web development, automation, and more. Through real-world examples and practical applications, we aim to provide a hands-on approach to mastering these libraries. Our goal is not just to introduce these tools but to equip readers with the knowledge and confidence to integrate them seamlessly into their projects. By the end of this book, you will have a solid foundation in Python's extensive library ecosystem, empowering you to tackle a wide range of programming challenges with ease. Happy coding! Happy coding!